Hello. Welcome to the Financial Wellness Channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage your debts intelligently, including strategies for paying off your debts more quickly. By applying these tips, you'll be able to have a much healthier and amazing financial life. But before we begin, if you want to continue receiving videos like this every day, subscribe to the channel to receive videos like this every day. So let's get started. Why is managing your debts important? Before we start, let's talk about the importance of managing your debts. Debts can be a major source of financial stress and can negatively impact your credit score. Managing them intelligently can help you save money on interest and get rid of them more quickly. So let's talk about some strategies you can use to manage your debts. 1. Prioritize your debts. One of the first things you should do is prioritize your debts. Make a list of all your debts, including the amount you owe and the interest rates. Then, put them in order from highest to lowest interest and focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. 2. Make extra payments. Another effective strategy is to make extra payments whenever possible. This can help reduce your debt balance more quickly and save you money on interest in the long run. Try to put a little extra money towards paying off your debts each month, even if it's just a few dollars. 3. Consolidate your debts. If you have multiple debts with different interest rates, consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate may be a good option. This can make paying off your debts more manageable and save you money on interest over time. 4. Negotiate your debts. If you're struggling to pay off your debts, it may be helpful to negotiate with your creditors to reduce the interest or create a more manageable payment plan. Many creditors prefer to receive some money back rather than nothing, so there may be room for negotiation. Managing your debts may seem difficult, but with a little planning and strategy, it's possible to pay off your debts more quickly and save money on interest. We hope these tips have been helpful to you. If you have any other suggestions or questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.